Guys, so today we're going to make some chicken soup, and here are all the ingredients we're going to use in order to make our chicken soup. So here we have some edibles, we have some ginger pieces, we have some green fig, we have some spring onions, 3 cloves of garlic, here we have some dasheen, here we have some sweet potato, bush basil, and some carrots. And then in the back here, I have a little bag that I'm going to put these spices in. This is 3 bay leaves and about 8 cloves. And then here we have our seasoned chicken. Now this is more or less chicken bones. It does have some meat in it. Of course, we're going to use the chicken feet as well. The chicken feet has a lot of collagen in it. So this chicken was seasoned with some green seasoning, some dried thyme, some dried oregano, some salt, some black pepper, and some adobo seasoning. And of course in the back here we have some chicken broth, and we would add some water as well to top it up. So let's get started with browning our chicken. If you're interested in purchasing this soup bag, I'll leave a link in the description as to where you can get it. This is used to put your spices in, and then you put it into your soup pot. Okay, so now I'm going to add in the other ingredients into the soup. Okay, so now we're going to put in the spice bag. And then we're going to cover this and leave it to simmer until everything cooks. Wow, this smells really good. chicken soup is now completed. Everything has cooked nicely. All the ground provisions and the vegetables we put in has cooked, and the meat, or what little meat there is, but more or less it was more stock bones that we use in order to make our chicken soup. But everything is nice and soft, and so our chicken soup is now completed. So once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, and give the video the thumbs up. And of course, feel free to share with family and friends as well. See you in my next video. Bye for now.